Hi guys, this is Saad Qureshi and today I'm going to show you how to install Python and Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11 machine. But first of all, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and especially press the bell icon, okay? So now first of all, I will open the command prompt and I will check whether the Python is already installed in my system or not, okay? So for that, I'll use the command python minus minus dash dash version. So okay, so my the Python is not installed in my system, so I'm going to download and install the Python first. Download Python. So in the Google search bar, I'll type download Python. Then I'm going to click this link, python.org/downloads. Okay, just open this link. And then I'm going to install this latest version. Let me just download the latest version from here. Okay, this is going to start downloading the exe file. So I've already downloaded the exe file, so I'm going to cancel this. Let me just open the exe file here. So I'll choose from these options. I'm going to choose the option customize, but first I'm going to click this add python.exe to path customize. Okay, for all users, I'm going to select all options, click next. Then I'm going to select this particular option as well. This is the path where the Python is going to be installed. Click install, click yes. Okay, it will start the installation process. Look, it will take some time to complete. You have to wait until it is done and dusted. So the Python is successfully installed. Now let me just close this and let me just again open the command prompt. Just open the command prompt and type python dash dash version. Okay, look, the Python is installed. The latest, it is the latest version 3.12.4. So next I'm going to show you how to install the Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11 machine. So first of all, I'll open the Google Chrome browser and I'll type here in the search bar install Jupyter Notebook and I'll follow this instruction. So go to jupyter.org/install and I'll open the command prompt first and I'll type the command pip install notebook. So this is how you're going to install the Jupyter Notebook. Type the command pip install notebook, enter. So this is going to start the installation process. Okay, to run the notebook, you will type the command Jupyter Notebook. Okay, this is downloading and installing the notebook. Okay, so you have to wait until this is done. So now I'm going to open the Jupyter Notebook. So for that, you will type the command Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter space notebook and press enter. This command is not working. There is another command that you can use and the command is python -m notebook. If this command is not working, you will use this command python -m notebook. Notebook, enter. Okay, this is going to open the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, look, now I'm going to create a new file, new notebook. So in order to create a new notebook, go here and click notebook and I'm going to create a program. It will be hello world. So print hello world and let me just give the name, and the name of the program is going to be hello. Rename and execute this. Just execute this hello world. Okay, so this is how you're going to install the Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11 machine. So I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and especially press the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much and have a great learning.